Welcome to Ben Archer TV channel. We bring you up to speed whatever is trending across the continent, and today I'm here to show you a masterpiece, the road expansion project ongoing at Atomic Junction to Atomic Roundabout. It just started, and I thought it wise to update my viewers on it. Whether you knew that there was a road expansion from Atomic Junction close to Medina, Bayview Resort, to Atomic Roundabout close to Kwabenya. The contractors are widening their tentacles. It used to be a single lane, time immemorial, but the government of Ghana is dualizing that route from Atomic Junction to Atomic Roundabout. It's a Ben Archer TV channel. We are bringing you this live update from Atomic in the Ghanaian capital, Accra, and it is what it is. Subscribe to the channel and become part of this amazing family. So those are the live shots you are seeing there, and Ghana is developing. Ghana is growing. Like I always tell you, we are expanding our frontiers day in and day out, and we are making things happen. So that is the single lane road of the Atomic Junction to Atomic Roundabout, and the government of Ghana is dualizing that. Now, what it means basically here is that there's going to be a lot of demolition exercise on this stretch. The contractors have assured that there's going to be a lot of demolitions. A lot of businesses, commercial properties, residential properties are going to be affected. And after completion of this road project, it's going to be one of the most beautiful road projects, and it will reduce traffic on that stretch. I mean, for those of you who have used that stretch before, from Atomic Junction to Atomic Roundabout, getting to Kwabenya, you will see that there was a lot of traffic on that stretch. So the contractors are widening it, making it a dual carriage, so that this traffic scenery will be a thing of the past. So continue to enjoy the rest of the scenery. My name is Archer, and subscribe to the channel so you can be always part of this amazing family. I'm out. God bless.